Let's install a mini split unit. Metro check for leaks. A little snack while we wait.
There you go, guys. It is clean as install. This is a feed, man, Ali. This extra wire is a power wire. The owner of the property says he has a friend that's an electrician and he wants to save money, so he's gonna have him do it himself. But look at straight from the unit, straight to the unit. No fucking coil turns. Not blank turns. Compared to this one. Look at the difference, bro. Look at the difference. Oh. Penetration out. You know, it's all to the freaking roof. You just got a piece of metal. Like I said, that wire. That's the owner wanted.
Like, follow, and comment.
Let's go though.